morning, everybody. Chef Jonathan Collins returns this morning to celebrate Oktoberfest. Happy October.
You know what? Turkey hangover, but we're shifting gears. We're already into a new celebration.
Okay, and specific apples you enjoy?
Sweet Tango apples. So you know how much I love Canadian produce? Well, these have won the world record for the largest crunch. Now, I'm going to slice a piece off of this so that you can try it.
Like a decibel scale? They said,
decibel
what is
scale,
the most crunchiest?
those ones killed it. Ready? Listen. Tastes great, eh?
Very loud and proud. Bring us to the next Jays game, everybody. Crunch.
So we made a Dutch baby.
Oh, how
and
nice.
Dutch and baby, are they good? They're so good. They're light and they're fluffy. And I want to show you how easy it is to prepare one. I've got a hot pan. Now, don't even think about touching this. This is a little bit like making a Yorkshire.
Okay.
So we're going to take that and just a little bit of butter in the bottom.
So you already heated the pan.
It has to be preheated, and what that does is it gives lots of volume. So then we've got some beautiful Sweet Tango apples.
What did you put on the apple?
Literally just a little bit of butter, tiny little bit of sugar, and it caramelized. So the nice thing is you're developing flavors ahead of time.
How long, Chef?
This was 10 minutes.
On medium?
This was on medium-high. You really want to throw the heat on, stay with them, and then this is the exciting part. So the batter recipe, just literally pour it over top.
Oh, and you let it coat through like so. No fuss, no muss.
Isn't that beautiful? So then what you do is just take and slide this. I've got a nice little oven down here.
That's like a pie, a whole wheat pie batter?
You know what? It's just like a Yorkshire batter. Very, very simple. Eggs, flour, milk. Everybody's got this in their refrigerator.
All on our website. Okay.
Yeah. So braising. I want to teach you a really great technique. This is the end result. So we've got this gorgeous pork shoulder. This can be pulled and used either in soups, or we're going to make a beautiful bun with it, topped with beautiful whole grain mustard and the topping we've got going in.
This smells amazing. What is that? Is that wine in there?
So I've got some hard cider in here, some of the Sweet Tango apples and shallots, and I've sautéed them and then deglazed the pan. That's really critical. Now this is boiling. And what I want to do is just slide that right inside. Now, braising is cooking in a small amount of liquid.
Okay.
So we're going to season that with a little bit of salt and pepper.
And then how long are you leaving it to braise?
This is 2 to 3 hours. And the really important thing is that it's covered. So we must cover it. It's got to go in the oven about 325, and that low and slow temperature that just separates the pork beautifully, breaks down all that tissue, and then what you're left with is this. So let's have a look at what it actually looks like.
Do you turn it over at all? Do you check on it? Do you lift the lid? No.
No. The beautiful thing about braising is you just put it in and forget about it. And then what you end up with, and I did this last night at home, is you just have this beautiful texture. So there's all that natural. Now it has rendered a lot of the excess fat, which is nice as well. So what you can do with that is take a bun like this.
Okay.
And
this is what Kev was dreaming for.
Yeah.
Right, Kev?
Yes.
Kevin, this one's for you.
Kev, this one's for you.
So
this
let's
is for you.
top it.
So it's so
Kevin,
you
do
just
like
pull
mustard?
it off.
Yes.
You like mustard?
Yeah, so
He likes
silly
his
question.
question.
And so one of the things that I love about braising is you're making the garnish as you go along. So we've got this beautiful apple chutney that's developed right alongside it.
What makes it a chutney versus a sauce? The thicker pieces?
Yeah, it's a little bit of the chunk, but also the way that it's prepared. So it's got some fresh herbs and
the mustard. That's interesting.
Right?
Well, because you have sweet, sour, bitterness,
savory,
and the astringency. So then you close that baby.
You know who's your uncle?
All right.
Jonathan Collins is your uncle, not Bob.
Don't put it on that one. There you go.
Okay,
take it easy. You're going to wear that if you're not careful. So I want to take you down here for...
And? Right?
Nice, sweet. Yeah, go over there.
I'll be over there.
Okay, Kev, enjoy.
You'll be in the corner for a few minutes.
What do you have here, Chef?
So then one of the big things, obviously, about Oktoberfest is beer and sausage.
Yeah.
So this is a great way to enjoy it. We've got some brats here. And what we did is we started off with a nice raw sausage. So I'll grab this and show you.
Yeah, what sort of sausage are you asking for?
So mild, medium, hot, whatever your flavor, whatever you like. You get white sausage. There's all kinds of classics in store right now. But again, paired with this unbelievable sauerkraut in this great recipe, what you're doing is braising them, reducing them, and creating a sauce as you go.
On a stovetop versus the oven?
Yeah, this is stovetop. So the nice thing is you don't need expensive equipment. You just need a few simple recipes and the right techniques, and you'll get the great results.
And the beautiful fresh herbs make all the difference. I could smell that rosemary. It's stunning.
It's stunning. It's beautiful. So that's coming up. And so what you can do, the nice thing about this is you can take this straight to the table.
Yeah.
Take some buns.
Is this melting, Chef?
No. It's heat safe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
but you should, this is hot. Yeah.
Okay.
This is hot, but you got to try these as well. The apples, when they're caramelized like that, they're just gorgeous.
I'll let that cool down, everybody. For all the recipes posted on our website, breakfasttelevision.ca. You're not kidding with the sweet tango. It packs a crunch.
It does. It
and your
knocks you out.
recipes
Makes
pack a punch.
Yeah.
Kev, how you doing over there?
I made a mess. All right.
Big surprise.
I spilled it all. Yeah.
Breakfasttelevision.ca, everybody. We'll be back with more BT right after this. Clean up, Al4.
Yeah.
That's why you can't have nice things.
No, I know.